Element 22, Molecular Self-Assembly.
Alright, let's talk about molecular self-assembly. The process of intentional bond making has been one of the most important accomplishments of chemistry. Historically, this process has often been forced through the use of energy or reactive reagents to occur at the time, place, and rate that was desired. This also meant that the more complex the molecule, the more steps and energy had to be used. Looking at natural and biological systems, there are many examples where complex molecules with extensive stereochemistry and intricate ring systems that, in a synthetic route, would need lots of steps, are realized through molecular self-assembly that takes place upon appropriate stimulus. This can also be achieved in human-designed synthesis. Now, of course, it's always important to not simply design a self-assembling molecule by shifting the energy and reagent inputs to another part of the product life cycle, such as its precursors.